So these things don't happen every day, but I was to unbox this Noisefit Active, a recently unboxed fitness watch. I ended up bricking it, so we'll find out more about that. But in the box you are getting this usual paper stuff and the watch itself, and you get this proprietary charger as well. So this is the part where I was to talk about the build quality and stuff. Honestly, I feel this looks to be pretty decent for the price in terms of build. The strap is also pre-installed, and for the first time to power it on, you need to charge it up. So you can see here, I tried charging and it doesn't work this way, but you need to use it the other way, and it immediately sticks onto that magnets. And also, as you can see, it started powering on. You can see the logo and uh, the battery percentage, just keep that in mind, 98%. Also, it asks you to download the Noisefit app, which I did install, and the pairing process was pretty fast. As you can see here, it detected the watch pretty fast, and I felt the app was pretty good as well. When you compare it with the Noise Color Fit Pro, the last time that I checked, the app was not that great, but this app looks to be a bit more polished and looks pretty decent, I would say. There's a decent selection of watch faces as well, as you can see, but this is where the problem started. So as you can see here, it also shows 98%, and there is an update available, so I went ahead with the update, and here everything seemed to go just fine. As you can see, the download is being transferred to the watch. As you can see, there is a weird icon that shows up, and normally we don't record everything because it's a waste of resources and time, so I did kind of cut the video in between. So you can see here another clip where the download progress was almost 90% done, and the time, look at the time, it's 11:04. So this is almost 90%. I was recording this just to show how annoying the ads are. I was supposed to talk about this right here. So I ended up recording this clip, and you can see this progress bar 90%. If you pay attention and look closely, it also says the device is initializing, please wait, which means it is actually kind of doing some process to update the smartwatch or the fitness watch. So after a few minutes, the progress bar disappeared, but it still was stuck on the same logo. And when I tried to click on the app, here you can see here the warning, it says it's on the low battery. Now I don't think this is connected to the watch because it is still kind of updating, but I just anyway plugged in the charger just to make sure that it has enough charge, and it basically gets through the update process. But I waited for almost 40 minutes, 50 minutes. Even after that, it just got stuck on the same screen, so it's basically ended up in the boot loop. You can see here after some time at around 11:50, I again checked back. I am recording this with the phone, and you can see here it's still stuck on the same screen, which basically means the update actually broke the fitness watch. So the point is, I did try to replace this, and I hopefully should get another device. In a couple of days, I will try and post more videos on this watch, but the bottom line here is this: make sure you put it on charge if you are planning to update the firmware, just to be safe, because as you can see, it was showing 90%, but I really don't know what went wrong. So it's best to keep it on charge while updating, I would say. So anyway, that's been it, guys. Just wanted to post the unboxing as it happened. So anyway, make sure you like this video, also subscribe. That's been it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.